Hello, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. According to where you dey watch me from, I wan throw some one thing put for ground na wey dey pay me reach ground. Now I wan tell una this afternoon. Isoko Ado, Iroba Ado, Owelogbo Ado, Manuwa Ado, iye. Me I no vex. This morning dey boil me for mind. Now say me I see talk am put for ground. Make our mother for the house, make the talk put our father for the house, make the talk put. This morning wey I wan talk, no mind this my dress o. This morning I wan your talk put for ground so na be say our mother, our father, abeg, our baby wey dey grow dey come for ground, make we know how we take dey train dem. We no go fit, you no fit go buy for example, you buy garri finish for market. If you reach house, you go throw am put for sansan. E no good. Our pikin dem, make we dey teach dem from small pikin. Our mama, you wey your pikin small, you don dey teach am big thing, stop am. E no go favour you and e no go favour the pikin. You wey you dey say your pikin wey dey grow dey come, especially girl pikin, you don dey teach am how to wear big cloth. Pikin wey be 10 years, you don dey teach am how to wear cloth of person wey dey 15 years, person wey dey 20 years. Wetin you dey teach that pikin? You dey teach am how to thief, you dey teach am how to misbehave. You pikin wey dey 5 years, you don dey teach am how to make up, you don dey teach am how to paint, you don dey teach am how to put lipstick. You dey spoil that pikin be that. Our mama dem, I dey tell una dem, especially mama dem, pikin wey dey 5 years, you don dey buy caro white for am, you don dey buy caro turn for am, you don dey caro red for am. Stop am. E no go favour the pikin. Pikin wey dey grow dey come, you don dey wear am earring wey long reach here. If you come grow reach 15 years by himself, you go dey wear the one reach him yansh. Pikin wey dey grow dey come, you don dey teach am. If you wan take picture, you tell am say make e bend like this, e go bend. You tell am say make e do like this, e go do. You tell am say make e do like this, e go do. Wetin? Why you wan spoil this small pikin for small pikin? Why you no let this pikin grow reach him age, make e choose wetin e like by himself? Mother, na una dey talk to so. Na una dey talk to so. Why pikin wey never comot for ground, you don dey put weave of 300,000 200,000 for him head. You don dey put weave on Brazilian hair wey dey sell €200, €300, €150. You don dey put pikin wey be 10 years, don dey put am for him head. If you come grow nko, you go begin to beat you. You go begin to beat you. My sister, my mothers, abeg, Bible say make we train our pikin the way e go take grow. If e grow, e no go depart from it. So you wan train your pikin, you wan rot ten your pikin from small pikin. If e grow, you come turn to armed robber, you come turn to thief, you come turn to yahoo. You go buy shoe of €200 put for pikin of 10 years for him leg. You go buy shoe of €200 for pikin leg. If you don grow, wetin you go come do? If you no see money, you go dey do ashawo, you go dey follow man wey no suppose to follow, because you don rot ten am come for ground. You don rot ten am for ground. My mama for the house, my papa for the house, abeg, make we dey teach our pikin the way dem go take grow. If dem grow, good thing. If dem go, dem no go fit depart for that thing wey you teach dem. You go buy eyeglass of €100, €80 put for your small pikin of 10 years, 7 years. You put am for in eye. You go wear your own. You go tell am say make e pose like this. you go do like this, make do like this, you go do like that. Wetin? Why we not allow these children make dem grow reach their age before they go choose wetin they like by themselves? I go see some for Facebook who in with their children, they go do like this, you go bend like this, your pikin go bend like this. Wetin we see for this life wey be say e come dey catch us, we no fit dey respect ourselves? My sister, abeg, I wan beg you, and if you be mother, if you lis ten to this thing, you wan buy cloth for yourself, you with your pikin must una go buy to match. If na 200 euro you wan buy, una go buy to match. Una go sew am. If na short one una wan sew, una go sew the you mama, una go sew the short knicker reach where dem dey see your nyash. You go sew your pikin where dem dey show im nyash, pikin of 10 years, you go show am where dem dey see im nyash. Wetin? Why you wan just spoil this pikin for small pikin? Na so your papa and your mama spoil you when you dey grow dey come. Na so your papa and your mama take money spoil you, na so they take things spoil you. Why you wan just destroy this pikin for small pikin? Some pikin say they no like am and the mama dey force dem, dey force dem. Wetin? So na so they force dem. Why be say Nigeria, anything wey reach Nigeria hand, e go turn to another thing? They use you go buy phone wey worth 400 euro, you go buy for small pikin wey be 10 years, 12 years, make e dey use. If you can't grow, if you no see that kind of money, you go dey follow different men. Abeg, make we know as we take dey teach our children. E dey very important. Not to say na modern life we dey, you come spoil your pikin. You dey modern life, you wan rot ten your pikin, e no go favour you. E no go favour you. Make we, all these our children, make we cut their cloth according to their size. Make we cut their cloth according to their size. We mother, our own too much. This modern life una dey talk so, e too much. Una wan take am spoil all the children from small womb. Imagine person go born omomo from omomo wey dem born today with blood, they go put am sample am for Facebook. Wetin? They go naked. You get belle, you get belle, you go naked your pregnancy put for inside Facebook. Wetin? They do us. This open eye want too much. People need to correct, something need to correct. All this open eye, where would they open eye too much? Abeg, I know say na modern life we dey, but make we rest. Benin people say wa gberen iwo. Abi? Wa gberen iwo. Me na see live am, e no good. Make we respect ourselves. Make we not spoil these children from small pikin. Our mother, you go buy caro white, caro tune, caro yellow, caro this. You go buy small pikin of 7 years, 8 years. You begin dey brace am. Say na modern life. They do na. Some children, if they grow, they go ask una question. They go ask una wey be mother, especially. They go ask una question. Big question, and they go ask una. So abeg, e no mean say your children dey grow come, you wan just use your hand take rot ten dem. You carry your pikin enter Facebook, you begin dey do like this. You go do like this, go do like this. Your pikin go wear dress, everything, everywhere go open. You sef go wear. Una go dey do like this. You go dey bend. So small time na your pikin go get hunchback. Because the style want too much. Open eye. The side where your pikin never reach, you don put am. You don put your time. Small time na they come dey toast you, as they toast you for Facebook. Na say they come dey toast your pikin for Facebook. Because you don take big thing take master this small pikin. you go market, you go buy cloth of wey worth 300 euro for small pikin 150. If you don grow, if you no come tomorrow get belle, you no know wetin go born. Tomorrow if you no come get, if the pikin come enter street, you go dey cry say, hey, my pikin don spoil o, my pikin don rot ten o. You no know say na you rot ten am from small pikin, na you spoil am. So we mother, make we change. No be our body take scratch person, na take dey scratch am. Make we change, make we take good example for our children. Make we do good example for our children. Na only this month I wan drop una. Before I leave, make una take care. I greet the house, I greet everybody. But seek first the kingdom of God. All of that thing we had to you. Be a new creation. A new creation. Draw near to Jesus. Jesus will draw near to you. Don't run after the things of this world. Run after Jesus. He's the only one that can save you. He's the only one that can turn your story around. He's the only one can do all things. Only he can do all things. No man can do any other thing. Jesus can save you. Thank you. Subscribe. I not remember telling us even subscribe for one at start. Subscribe and press the notification button. Subscribe and press the notification button. Okay. Thank you.